Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well and feeling great. Today's recipe is crepes prepared in a special way. They come with a beautiful chocolate design and I will show you how to make them. We will need half a liter of milk, which equals 2 cups of 250 milliliters each. We also need 2 1/4 cups of flour and some vegetable oil. You can replace the oil with melted butter if you prefer. We also need 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and 1 sachet of vanilla sugar. Now we will start by mixing everything using an electric blender. You can replace the milk with water if milk is not available. This is especially helpful if you do not have milk at home. Just use the same quantity of water. Now I add the 2 eggs. I add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Then I add vanilla, sugar, regular sugar, and vegetable oil. Blend the mixture lightly and do not overmix. Overmixing can make the crepes tough after cooking. Blend just enough to combine the ingredients. Now I add the sifted flour to the mixture. Sifting the flour is important for a smooth batter. This is the 1/4 cup, measured accurately. Blend again for about 1 minute. Now strain the batter to remove any lumps. This will give us a smooth texture. Lumps are not needed in the batter. Now I take 3 ladles of the batter. The quantity depends on the thickness you want. Now I add 1 sachet of chocolate powder. Sift the chocolate powder carefully. This step is important for smooth chocolate batter. Now mix the chocolate with the batter. Mix until everything is well combined. Cover both batters with plastic wrap for 30 minutes. Letting the batter rest improves the texture. After resting, the batter will be perfect to use. The batter has rested, so now we can continue. Remove the plastic wrap carefully. Now the batter is ready to use. Pour the batter into a squeeze bottle. This will help create the design easily. Cover the remaining batter so it does not dry out. Close the bottle tightly. You can use any squeeze bottle with a small hole in the cap. Lightly grease the pan with a little oil. Wipe off the excess oil. Make small chocolate drops on the pan. Now add the plain crepe batter on top. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Do not let it brown too much underneath. Flip the crepe gently. The heat should be medium. Continue cooking and remove the crepe. Repeat the same steps until all the batter is used. Stack the crepes on a cloth with the patterned side on top. Now choose the filling you like. I am using jam with roasted and ground peanuts. This combination tastes really good. Fold the crepe gently like this. Repeat the same folding method. This is how the crepe should look. Continue until all the crepes are filled. Here is the final result of our crepes. They look beautiful and very delicious. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell.